Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the blade or the cutting disc for this Mastercraft Wet Tile Saw with extension table. That is 5 ampere 7 inch. And here is the saw. First, pull this up, okay, and then this can be removed. After that, we have two screws here. This is one screw, open this, and also there is another screw, open these two. You can pull it and leave it outside. We need to put this cutting blade, the cutting disc. So for that, get these two, which comes with a kit. First, to open this screw, insert this here on the hex. Once you insert it, you have to lock it to open it. I've already opened this, so it's easy, but in your case, you insert this at an angle that it holds. So you hold it with your left hand, and with the right, you open it. Once it's loosened, you can just remove it. And we have one nut, and then this is one piece of the disc. Leave the other one and remove this, and now we are inserting the cutting disc. This is a cutting disc, we are inserting it. So insert it such that you will see that piece will be out like that. So you will see it flat. If you insert it like that, that's incorrect. So make sure you insert it like this, and then insert this piece back. You see, it just slides down. Well, I know I will pull it back. Now, once you insert it, hold this, and then put the nut and tighten it with your hand. Now, at this stage, insert the hex, which comes with a kit, and now you have to hold the motor again. I'm holding it. The motor, this shaft does not rotate, but I can tighten it clockwise. Now, pull it out, insert the hex back, hold this shaft using this key. This is an angle key, in case if I forgot to not mention it. So, and then pull it together. I think that's enough. This now has been inserted properly. We will put this back, making sure that these screws, you have to insert one of the screws in here and the other one. So I will pull it down. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button here. I will have a lot of other videos related to home renovation and machines that you use at home.